Hey guys, I'm Kristine and I am here testing out my new camcorder. It's a Sony Handycam HDR-CX160 and I hear it's got really good zoom. This is kind of going to be a test video. I came out to a state park to test this out and hopefully I'm going to get to feed some ducks. I brought some bread. The ducks, or at least a couple of them, are over here. They look kind of tired. I know there's more ducks around here somewhere. Not sure where they are right now, but maybe they'll come up if I start feeding. And it is a kind of windy day, so let me know how the sound is on this. You know, hopefully it doesn't sound too bad, you know, with the wind and all. I'm throwing out some bread, and looks like right now all we're getting is fish. Maybe I'll have to go to the deck because it doesn't look like the ducks are going to come to me. I wonder if someone was just out here feeding them. They don't seem to be hungry. Oh, they must have just ate. Well, the ducks aren't gonna come talk to us today. I guess we'll come back over here and see if we can get some fish. I know there's some fish attacking that piece. See, maybe I can get some in the light over here. Let's try right here. Well, since we're not getting much action here, let's test out the zoom on trees. So there's a pathway across the pond. So I can actually see on the pathway over there, I can actually see the logs that are lining the pathway, which is really cool. This camera has amazing zoom. There's the top of the trees. Let's see how far I am away. Wow, that's amazing zoom. Fish aren't interested in the bread today. Oh well, I'll just throw out the rest of the bread. But it's a really pretty day, and so I thought I'd come out to the state park and film a little bit. Just kind of to test my new camera, play with it a little bit. See, while you're zooming it kind of gets blurry, but then when you stop it clears up and looks amazing. So, can't wait to do more videos with this. Well, I thought the fish were playing with that piece of bread for a minute. Actually, there's a lot of fish right there. All the fish over here. Yeah, some bread there. All the fish. I really like coming out here and just relaxing and watching the, the fish eat, or sometimes I'll come out here and I'll get, the ducks to actually come up and eat, and sometimes I'll get the turtles, and I guess somebody must have fed the ducks right before I got here, so we kind of lucked out there, and I think most of the turtles are probably in hibernation right now, because it is just the first part of March, and I think the turtles probably won't start waking up until sometime in April, maybe. I don't know. I used to have pet turtles, but anyway. There's the ducks that won't come eat. It's a pretty mallard though. Well, anyway, I think this was a long enough test video. Probably too long. You probably got bored watching this if you're still listening. But I enjoy being out here and just enjoy watching the fish and the ducks and everything. So, but mostly this was to, test out my camera, and I'm very pleased with it. So I will probably go home and start filming some reviews for my main channel, Brick Queen, and probably going to start actually doing more videos on this channel. I think it's been close to 2 months since my last video, which is kind of sad, but I'm gonna fix that. We're gonna start uploading more often on this channel. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, or enjoyed me talking, and if you're looking to get a camcorder, I would definitely recommend this one. It is absolutely amazing. Like I said, Sony Handycam HDR-CX160. Awesome camera. Anyway, see you guys next time.